Happy Wednesday! I am Seth Savage from OnePlaceBike.com here with your weather forecast. So it is 7:53, Wednesday, September 28th, 2022. It is actually about 55 degrees outside, with winds at 7 miles per hour east by north. So we have a high of 80 with a low around 46. So for today, sunny with winds 11 to 14 miles per hour, like a gust, SIS 32 miles per hour. And tonight, clear with winds 10 to 13 miles per hour, like a gust as high as 18 miles per hour. I hope you enjoy the beautiful day. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!